at people and I wonder all day, who are you and you are not the one in your way. And then I think about myself and I state, I'm a pretty boss, look on my shit brain waves. I'm a freak in the sheets, but I got class. I'ma grab an ass if you want it. Best you ever had, give it to you, mine. Ooh.
Hey guys, what is up? This is Asilton Perra and welcome back to another video. And I know it's been almost more than 6 months since I haven't posted. But yeah, it's a good day today and we are traveling to Daman. In fact, we are going for a picnic. So I'm gonna vlog each and every moment of this and I'll be posting. So yeah, tag along and have fun. Hey guys, finally we are in Daman और हम लोग actually बहुत टाइम हो गया अभी आए हुए. It's more than an hour. हमने पहले होटल की बुकिंग कर ली because it's Diwali time and top of that it's a Saturday. So yeah, it was kind of difficult to get a hold of a room, but we finally were able to manage to get one in Miramar. हम लोग डेल्टिन भी गए थे, but over there also it's almost full and we didn't get a room for 4. So that's why we came to Miramar. And yeah, it's a pretty good room, I guess. Quite a little bit expensive, but एक ही है. And I'm trying to use the cinematic mode on my phone, which is, I don't know, you guys tell me how it is. And yeah, right now we are chilling at Devka beach because they will check us in let's say after 1 PM and it's just 10 AM right now. So yeah, apart from that, construction is going on, so I don't know ये beach view यहाँ पे कब तक रहने वाला है, but doesn't matter. And yeah, so once we go inside the hotel, I'll start vlogging from there and I'll show you around. We are mostly visiting the market as well. So we have a friend who is local over here, so we'll take him and then we'll go because यहाँ पे अगर tourist जैसे जाएंगे हम लोग, so definitely they are going to charge us crazy और वो हम लोग को नहीं करना है. That's why we are waiting for a friend. Once he comes over here, we'll go for marketing, we'll buy some stuff. And yeah, let's just tag along. I'll show you my entire day today and we'll be checking out on Monday morning. So we are here for like 2 nights. So I'll be vlogging most of it and I hope you guys enjoy it. So yeah, let's do this.
Talk about quiet with a big mouth. Listen for the doubt, then call it. Make you out for what you say to me. Look at every single date. If you got what I need, then oh, I'll take you on like a big deal. Legs you can unseal, key in ignition. Just keep me full like I had a meal once in a while. Feel all that I know you like it, can't fight it. I'ma let you ride the wave. I'm New York and you're LA. Come together, feel the shock waves.
Hi guys, so we are at Jampur beach right now and actually we came here long ago. So अभी खाना वाना सब हो गया है and we actually had lunch outside because the check-in time in the hotel is 2 PM. So we just wanted to spend time. That's why we had our lunch over here and yeah, now we are going to the hotel and the rooms are pretty good to be honest, so I'll start vlogging from there. And yeah, we had there's this special fish which you get in Daman itself. It's called Dada or Dhada, something like that. So we purchased that and there are shacks over here if you can see behind me. So we gave it to one of those people and they cooked it for us. They fried it nicely. And we had also got some mutton, so even that they cooked for us. And yeah, it was pretty much, it was very good, very tasty. And so from here we are leaving now. And yeah, I'll start vlogging once we are at the hotel. This is our ride for today. Obviously I told you about it, Tata Nexon. And yeah, driving it on the highway pretty much feels good, but mean, petrol somewhat feels underpowered as to my liking. But yeah, whatever. See you at the other side. Okay guys, so we are entering the hotel now. And the room is actually pretty far away from the entrance. Yeah, we have a pool as well, so probably we'll hop into this in the evening. Now we'll rest here for some time. That's the main road. So they don't really have a bridge for the first floor, so what we have to do is we have to take the lift, come on the second floor and then walk on this bridge and then go down to the first floor. So last time when we came here in the month of April, we were staying in that room and we had some clear view of the swimming pool from here, and it definitely looked much better, to be honest. I mean, having this room. So this is our room. Feels so good, guys. So this is our camera setup, just like I told you previously. This is our new 13 Pro and we have this gimbal. This is DJI OM4. So I'll be using this for all of my future videos. Yeah, this mirror is actually an ultimate flex. So I'll show you around in the room. Actually, my friends, they don't really want to be seen on the camera, so that's the reason why I won't be showing you their faces. That's why I'll be vlogging most of the times when they won't be around. And yeah, that's totally it. So yeah, I'll give you the room tour. And here's the bathroom. And that's me. Not the most handsome guy you know. And look at this, guys. The room is actually so beautiful. Kind of on the expensive side, but definitely worth it. Looks premium. So yeah, now I'm gonna settle for a bit and I'll see you later. Hey guys, good evening. So I didn't vlog after that because हम लोग सीधा आके सो गए and we had a good what do you call it, power nap or short nap, whatever. So it's currently 4:15 p.m. So now we're gonna hit the pool और उधर जाके let's say we'll spend an hour or two, and yeah, after that pretty much the evening plan will begin. So I'll quickly show you the pool from here. No doubt this improves the qualities of the video, but you know, everyone keeps staring that what exactly is this guy holding, because people are not really familiar with gimbals. So yeah, let's quickly check out the pool, shall we? So well guys, if you remember earlier, we came walking from that bridge right there. Okay, and this is the pool. It's kind of a little bit unsafe if you ask me. update of the day. We went to the pool and you guys definitely saw how much fun we had there. And I have lost my voice already. So yeah, let's hope I will take some salt water gargling and hopefully that should help to regain the voice. And now we are heading to the Veera Dhaba as I told you earlier, guys. So yeah, let's go there and I'll continue vlogging from there. So we did see a lot of pretty cars today, but look at this one, guys. Jaguar XJL just looks so good. So long and it's just amazing.
I'm the girl that they don't talk about.
Well guys, we did reach Veera Dhaba and the funny part is just look at the amount of vehicles. It is so crazy this time, like when we had come the last time during the month of April. Actually both the times when I came over here, it was in the night, it was in the afternoon and not at night. So I don't know if this is the usual scene over here or this is mainly because of Diwali, but it's just crazy packed, like actually crazy packed. But this Veera Dhaba, the Veera, what is this? The Veera Pavilion, okay, I don't know what this is. But yeah, the inside thing, the Veera Dhaba, it's totally Punjab theme. Maybe most of you people must have already been here. It's close to the Deltin. Just look at this guy, it's just never so much loaded. Oh my god, what is this? So look at all these statues and I think all these people are in the waiting. It's just crazy how much loaded this is.
Well, quiet with a big mouth. Listen for the doubt, then call it. Make you out for what you say to me. Look at every single date. If you got what I need, then oh, I'll take you on like a big deal. Legs you can unfeel. Key in ignition. Just keep me full like at a meal. Once in a while, feel all that I know you like it. Can't fight it.
So as I told you guys, it's just pretty crazy and the waiting is also crazy. So what we'll do is, since it's a Saturday today and it's a weekend, so obviously we expect a lot of people to be here. So today we'll carry on with another plan. So we'll be going now, we'll have our dinner somewhere else. We'll like obviously chill out for some time and then we'll have our dinner. And let's see, if I'm going to some good place where I can vlog, then I'll continue the vlog from there. Else we'll see you directly at the hotel, and this Veera's plan we'll continue it tomorrow. Alright, so yeah, see you in some time.
I'ma let you ride the wave. I'm no.
So well guys, we had a great time somewhere outside and now we are here for dinner. And we are in Miramar itself, in the restaurant. Just look at this.
हुई तकदीर बनती है। तारीफ तेरी लिखी है दिल से, आई है लब पे बन के अदाई, तेरी दीवार